So today I'm going to be making a bottle rocket, and here are the items that you need. You're going to need a 2-liter bottle, some duct tape, 3 pencils, a cork, some baking soda, a measuring cup, a paper towel, and some white vinegar. Okay, so first you're going to take your bottle and your 3 pencils, and I'm going to have my mom help me tape these onto the bottle. You're going to flip it upside down and tape the 3 like that, but make sure that this part isn't touching the ground. That, and then it should stand. Okay, so now we're gonna flip our bottle back over and unscrew the top, like this. And my mom poured about a cup and a half of white vinegar into here, and now we're gonna pour it into here. So hopefully I don't spill this. Just like that. So the next step is to take your baking soda and your paper towel and pour a vertical line, just like that, on your paper towel. Okay, so now I'm gonna fold it this way. And it has to fit inside of this bottle here, so it has to be pretty tight. Take this corner and put it like that so it doesn't fall out or spill. So I have a piece of tape ready right here, and I'm just gonna put it like that. And we're going to go outside and put it into here because this is what's gonna make our rocket explode. Okay, so now we're outside, and safety first, you have to put on your safety goggles, and you're going to take this and you're going to unscrew the cap, and then you're gonna quickly put this paper towel inside, cork it, and get out of the way. Come on. Whoa. That made me so scared. That was awesome.